Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using the command prompt. In today's video, we will learn about a very important feature in the command prompt, which is the help feature. Now help is both a command and a command that takes arguments of other commands. Let me show you what does that mean. First, type help, hit enter. You will get a list of the supported command in the command prompt. These are not all the commands, but they are here and they are very useful. You can see we have the associate, attribute, break, call, cd, which is for changing directory, if you remember, and many other commands. We have echo, we have type, we have go to, we have help, provide help information for Windows command. So now we know that. How can we use it for a specific command? Let's say I want to learn more about the copy command. So I type help, then copy, hit enter, and you see a detailed information how to use the copy command. Here it is. Now, not all commands are supported by the help command. For example, if I type help ns lookup, hit enter, tells you this command is not supported by the help utility. Try ns lookup question mark. So let's try that. ns lookup space question mark. And now we have this information about the ns lookup and how to use it. So you can see how this command and the help feature in the command prompt is very useful for the users to get information about commands. For maybe sometimes there are many commands and you forget how to use one of them. Will be a quick way to use and get the information you need. So that's it for me guys in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.